Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market since the election has come to an end, I personally feel like a lot of people haven't paid attention to the interest rate cut which the Fed did just in 24 hours after the election results, and that's one of the driving factors of the crypto market, not only Trump. Now, if you pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing, it's definitely sitting very comfortably at its all-time high. And if we talk about Dogecoin, it's trying to break above that 20 cents again, but this time around, if we're able to break over 20 cents, most likely we're going to go very explosive, and that can be seen by the insane amount of trading volume that we're seeing right now. On the other end, over 57,000 Bitcoin has gone into accumulation addresses in the last few days. While Dogecoin's next minimum target could be $3.50, Dogecoin rides the high as fans anticipate Elon securing a Doge position in the Trump's White House, and South Korea ramps up the crypto oversight after the US election. There is a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. Right there, slap a like on the video, just up to YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, higher user engagement, more inflow of cash. We see the market keep climbing and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the chart that we have formed when it comes to Dogecoin. Now, this is 1 hour chart. I just want to scroll back to the 4-hour chart to give you perspective that this bull run that we have received with the crypto market, what sort of momentum Doge has been showing. Now, first of all, you can see that at the start of the year in April, we set this year high, which was actually close to 22 cents. Now, you can see that 22 cents was nearly tested when, just yesterday when the elections, or you can say the rumors were building up that Trump is going to come. And then when the news did drop, it actually went into more positive impact, but there was a little bit of profit taking in the Dogecoin market because definitely it was doing a lot crazier numbers compared to the overall market. I mean, if you just go back a couple of days, just in a month, we have done close to 100% increase. So therefore, it was very due that there is going to be a little bit of profit taking. But right now, it's sitting at a very critical stage as Bitcoin has broken its all-time high. Right now, let's just say Doge is going to be ready to do something crazy just like that. Now, you guys know that if Dogecoin's all-time high is sitting a lot higher than where we are right now, I mean, it sits just close to 65 to 70 cents. And you know that being able to break that or be able to catch up to that would be a little bit harder for Dogecoin in the way it is moving. But in the past, Doge has definitely shown some crazy gains in a really short period of time. And that's when this comes in. Why Dogecoin's next minimum move is going to be really parabolic. Dogecoin is maintaining the upwards momentum, capitalizing on the impact of Trump victory, with the analysts projecting a parabolic rally for the meme coin. And let's just say, compared to what we have seen before, right now we're sitting at the key point. Now, 2020 was the starting point. 2021 was the key point where the Dogecoin and the crypto market in general did some really crazy numbers. And the same thing has happened, which is the 2023 was just the starting point. Now, 2024 actually got us into a little bit of a push, but 2025 is going to be the big year for the crypto market to show us all-time high, which we have not seen anywhere close to before. And you can see that there are so many big accumulation markets which are just in the last few days bought close to $4 billion worth of Bitcoin and actually put it away in their wallet, therefore clearly suggesting that in the near future they are definitely expecting Bitcoin to do some really big numbers. Now, Dogecoin rides the wave. Now, you guys know that even in the election, once it came to an end, Trump did his final speech and he did mention Elon Musk. He was very, very happy. He was trying to talk about how Elon is one of the greatest assets that America really has. And therefore, there is a very strong chance, or you can say this is a rumor, that Elon might be actually joining a position in the government. If that does happen and he decides to actually make it a position called Doge, you guys know what sort of impact that would have on the Dogecoin market. And South Korea ramps up the crypto oversight. Now, after Trump coming into power, every single government around the whole world knows that Trump is a really strong supporter of crypto. and crypto is going to become a bigger thing in simple terms. So therefore, even other countries are paying very close attention to it, and they want to make sure that they are able to capitalize when the market does decide to show some crazy numbers. The open interest for Dogecoin has climbed another 3%, now sitting close to 1.3 billion. And the long to the short ratio, let's just say the long traders are in for the run, 68% now, which is very, very high compared to a month ago where we're sitting close to 55%. Now, over 2 billion in the new USDT has been minted and injected into the crypto market in the last 48 hours. This is fresh liquidity that will definitely help the crypto market, especially Bitcoin. Now, altcoin hasn't even begun. We are in that part of the cycle where Bitcoin is still outpacing Ethereum. Totally normal at this stage, but once Ethereum starts climbing and showing some big numbers, the altcoins are going to follow with some even crazier numbers. And keeping in mind that altcoin season hasn't even really begun and Doge is showing this sort of numbers, you guys know when it does begun, yeah, it's going to be a crazy number. Tesla stock update. Elon Musk just got a new job at the Doge, and that's literally what's causing all of this. You need to understand that the Tesla stock is doing some crazy numbers, and at the same time, Doge is going to be following something very, very similar. Now, Binance adds XRP and Dogecoin to its smart arbitrage details. Now, this is big because let's just say Binance was not a really strong supporter of this, but now adding this means in the future there is definitely going to be more inflow of cash. And Swiss National Bank, crypto is not ready for the prime time. CBDC is key. Now they're trying to, get people to look away from crypto, but they don't understand that the amount of things that crypto has done in a short time, it's really hard to get those eyeballs away at this point. Chinese media spotlights Trump ploy to create a US Bitcoin reserve. Now, the TV, one of the country's most prominent media outlet, has the US President-elect Trump plans to adopt Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. Now, you need to understand, if this does happen, if, let's just say, US decides to put a lot of their money into Bitcoin and keep it as a reserve, it's going to have a really good impact on the Bitcoin market, honestly. And anything else, well, they can figure it out. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF sees a record 1.1 billion single day inflow. So you can see that Trump's victory did have a really strong impact on the overall market. And Fed rate cut sends Bitcoin to its new record high, and that's exactly what I was talking about. I feel like a lot of people are paying so close attention to Trump. Fed's interest rate was actually gone under the radar. That's the best way to describe it. But other than that, we got a long way to go. Honestly, crypto market is still just showing glimpses of what is to come in the near future. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.